Hey everybody, welcome back to another plan with me. Jody here at Plan All the Things. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic Cappy planner for January 25th through the 31st, and the theme for this layout is going to be bravery. So as always, I'm going to get started here by laying down my washi tape. I've got just kind of a simple heart patterned, colorful, thin washi. I know you really can't see the hearts very well, but trust me, they're there. I'm going to go ahead and lay down my big quote sticker on the left. It says, "Great things never came from the comfort zones." That's very true with bravery. Over here, I'm going to put down my big box sticker on the right. And now I'm going to go ahead and continue laying down some decorative but also functional task boxes. One for Monday, one for Tuesday. We use a bulleted list for Wednesday. I want to add some color to this black and white sticker, so I'm adding my weekend sticker. It says weekend with the family, and it's kind of in a tealy purple color. Andrew and I are basically the family right now. We're not really seeing too many folks. So, on the weekends we like to play board games, Scrabble, watch TV. But of course, there's always chores to do too, so I really like the color of this large lined sticker, but it didn't really fit where I had space for it, so I decided to cut it. So I put half of it on the right and the other half on the left. I would say don't be afraid to cut stickers. Make them work for you. You don't need to work for them. I really like these transparent quote stickers. I think they all came out of the same sticker book. Oh, and then I got kind of obsessed with these hearts. So there was a transparent kind of pink and white heart sticker. And then over it, to add in the accent of gold, I'd overlay another heart. So I thought that really turned out cute. And now I'm just adding some more gold touches, layering it in. Here's another one of these hearts. I really like using up stickers, so as long as it, doesn't get to be too much, I'm gonna commit and go all in. Now I'm just gonna go through and add some more decorative elements. Here's a teal flag sticker that matches. Another heart. I told you, kind of got obsessed with them. In terms of the week itself, this is the last week of the month, so it's my big meeting week. My volunteering, I have quite a bit of work to do for that, so not quite as chill as normal. So I decided I wanted a darker sticker up there on the left, a black, since I had black in the lower right. So I peeled up that teal and replaced it, and then put that, lower in the layout under Wednesday. And now I'm just bringing in more black elements to, not make that big box sticker stick out quite so much. I really like these little full box booklets you can get from the Abby Planner. I have quite a few of them, and I find that it's nice to be able to choose from books that don't have all the other stickers. With that, I think that's going to do it for this layout. I really enjoy how this turned out. I think it's going to be very functional for me, and I look forward to seeing how it is after the pen. You can always see my after the pens when I do my month in review videos. But in the meantime, that's going to do it for this. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And with that, I will see you in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.